To reset your Apple AirTag, first thing you need to do is apply pressure to this shiny side. So just press towards the AirTag and then twist anti-clockwise, and then that back cover will pop out. Simple as that. And then that's going to reveal the battery. So what you want to do now is remove that battery, and then you want to wait about 5 to 10 seconds, especially if you have the AirTag second generation. And then you want to take the battery and put it back in, and then press until you hear a sound. And then let go, remove the battery, and then put it back again. You want to do this about 5 times. There's the sound. So that's 2, then 3 times. There you go. It's a very faint sound. So that's 3, then 4. There you go. And then remove again. Now the 5th time you have to wait for about 12 seconds. So just waiting. Keep waiting. Still waiting for that sound. There you go. Now, having had that sound, it means the AirTag is successfully reset. And you can see it's now trying to pair once again. So now you want to put the cover back. Of course, you want to align it properly, and then press and then twist clockwise to lock it in place. And that's successfully reset your AirTag. Now, if you have your phone nearby, you might also want to go an extra step and remove that AirTag from the Find My app on your iPhone. This will help in case you want to give someone that AirTag, or you want to sell it to someone, or if it's going to be used by someone else with a different Apple ID. This is extremely crucial. So you want to go to the Find My app, find that specific AirTag. Now, even though you've reset it, it might still appear in your Find My app because it still belongs to you. So you want to go to that particular AirTag, open it up, and then you want to scroll down and tap on remove and confirm you want to remove that item from your Apple ID. And that's going to be a complete factory reset of the Apple AirTag. Thanks for watching and good luck.